Hello friends, welcome back to the iSenShare channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix broken registry items on Windows 10 11s. Method 1. Run automatic repair. Start up repair via settings. Open settings from the start menu. Then click update and security. Hit recovery on the left sidebar. OK. Click restart now. Minutes later, click Troubleshoot. Hit Advanced Options, then choose Startup Repair. Soon, the diagnosing process begins. Method to use System Restore to go back to a restore point. Open Control Panel from Search. Then choose the Recovery option. Hit the option, Open System Restore. When the System Restore prompt comes, click Next. All right, now choose a restore point. Hit the Scan for affected programs. After scanning, you can close it and hit the Next button on the System Restore window. OK, hit the Finish button and confirm your operation. In no time, your system will be restored to a chosen point. Method 3. Run System Files Checker in Command Prompt. Run Command Prompt as administrator. Then execute the SFC, scanno command line. Method for Run the DISM command in Command Prompt. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Then execute the DISM command line as shown in the video. Soon, you can check the result. Method 5. Reset Windows system to fix broken registry items. Open Settings. Click Update and Security. Hit Recovery. Click Get Started and reset this PC section. Then you can choose your option to reset the Windows system. Is there any way to clean the Invalid registries? Yes, iSenShare System Genius can help you. This Windows System Cleaner enables you to quickly and safely remove junk files, thereby speeding up your system. You can free download it from the official website. Now open the software and choose Registry option from the left panel. OK, hit the Scan button to start the scanning process. Soon, you can see the Invalid registry scan result. Hit the Clean button to remove them from your computer. Congratulations! The cleanup is finished. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next